Have you been looking for a new construction home in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of the Stonehaven floor plan by DRB Homes. If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. We get calls from people like you all the time looking to move to the area. So whether you're looking to move in the next 30 days or in the next 3 months, go ahead and contact us. All of our contact information are in the description box below. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move to the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All right, let's check out the Stonehaven by DRB Homes. All right, so this one is on a corner lot. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms. The square footage is just under 3,700 square feet. So it's a really large home. And this home here does have the cement board siding, just like the other ones in this community. And there is no vinyl siding in this neighborhood. So, you know, nice cement board siding. And I know I talked to a lot of people from different parts of the country, and they're not aware of this type of material for the exterior finish. And it's not like vinyl where it's, you know, soft or anything like that. This is a hard cement board on the siding, okay? And as you come in here, nice wide entryway. And to the right, you have your dining room. There is a Butler's Pantry on that side. And a flex room here could be a formal living room or a study. You do have the glass doors here, so it's set up for a study, okay? We'll go upstairs in a moment. Over here is the butler's pantry, okay? And then you have your actual pantry closet here, okay? And the kitchen, built-in wall microwave, wall oven, gas range, gas cooktop, nice tile backsplash there, and island, stainless steel appliances. You've got those cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling, and the breakfast area here. You just swing around here, give you a better look of the kitchen, okay? Family room with coffered ceilings, gas log fireplace. Let's check out this back patio real quick here. Ceiling fan in the patio, covered patio. And like I said, it's a corner lot, so the lot is a little bit deeper on that side over there. It's a little narrower on this side, deeper on the other side, okay? 2-inch blinds throughout. And like I said, gas log fireplace there, a couple of windows. And a guest suite. This is the linen closet. You got the full bathroom. It's a shared bathroom, so it's shared with the guest suite here, which closet for the guest suite, okay? And then you got the door that goes right into that bathroom, okay? So the bathroom is shared with the guest. All right, so on this side, a couple of closets here. Luxury vinyl plank floors, coat closet. Got the mud room and the garage, 2-car garage. It's extended a little bit on this side. Water heater right there. Okay, you got just a little bit of an extension right there. Not long enough to park 2 cars though, unless you have 2 small cars, maybe Mini Cooper, smart car, something like that. You can park 2 behind each other. Okay, let's head on upstairs. Hardwood stairs. Makes it so much easier to clean. And carpet upstairs. You got the loft area. So we'll start with the bedroom here. So this bedroom, got the bathroom here. Nice fixtures. And this goes back out to the loft. So you can access it from the bedroom or from the loft area. Okay. And this bedroom does have a walk-in closet, good size walk-in closet. 3 windows in here, plenty of natural light coming in through here. Linen closet, another bedroom, another walk-in closet, Jack and Jill bathroom, so you got 1 sink there, toilet, tub shower, again luxury vinyl plank on the floors, and that's your sink vanity for this bedroom. Like I said, 2-inch blinds throughout, and walk-in closet for this one as well. Okay, get our bearings back right here. The washer and dryer are included. Walk-in laundry room there. Nice size primary bedroom suite. Plenty of recessed lighting in here. Lots of windows. You got 5 windows in this room. So, golly, plenty of natural light coming through here. And all those recessed lighting. Okay. And in here, let me not walk by it. So let me turn on the lights and walk back here. And you got 2 closets. So you got closet here and a closet on the other side. And this is a really nice floor plan. I mean, we've got other videos in this neighborhood, but this one is really, really nice. And you got the tub. I think this might be the only one other than the decorated model that actually has a tub. So you got a garden tub there, sink vanity for one side, and really large shower, and 2 shower heads in here. Got a nice niche and bench seating, tiled all the way to the ceiling for that shower. You know, you got the same tile around the tub as well, okay? And the other sink vanity here, your water closet, tile floors, linen closet, okay? If you are interested in this home or any other home for sale in the Anderson or Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com.